What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. In today's video, y'all got some hot clearance items from Walmart that I want to tell y'all to keep an eye out for if you happen to be in Walmart, because it is tea, y'all. And I got some Walgreens items that I also want to show y'all a little couple deals that I did from her. But before we get into this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, because everything I just said is completely free. And then all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. So with that being said, let's get into these Walmart clearance items. And if you are watching and not subscribed, I don't know if you seen my last video, but I am doing a giveaway early March, and I'm trying to get my subscribers up. So if y'all can please help me and subscribe, I can help y'all possibly be in the drawings for a $50 gift card. Yes, and I'm giving two of them away to two lucky winners. So you might as well subscribe while you can and go ahead and turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out on no future videos. Now, let's get into these clearance deals at Walmart. Okay, y'all, here are some first little items that I got from Walmart. Starting off with some wet ones for sensitive skin. They were $1 and they was $3.28. So big price jump right there. These are good for keeping in the car, to wash your hands off, and it also says you can wipe your face off with these for those sweaty days at the gym, and just something to keep around is good, and only for $1. Cannot beat that at all. Then I seen some of these hanging on an end cap, y'all, 97 cents. And these are excellent for the grill if you are a griller like me, because I do love to grill when it's hot outside. Then also for candles, these are good for when the candle gets low. You whip this thing out and light your candles. But 97 cents, y'all. I don't know what the price was before, but hey, 97 cents cannot beat that. Then I saw this bad boy right here in the clearance section, y'all. Full size comforter set. Comes with the 4-piece sheets, the 2 pillow shims, and the comforter. And you will never guess how much it is. Go ahead and take a guess right now. Well, whatever you guess, you was wrong, because the clearance price is right here, y'all. $14.81. You cannot beat that. And it's saying I saved $23.15. So kudos to me. And this was like the last one left, because I sure was looking for more, y'all. Then in the clearance aisle, I also found these $4 kitchen bags, and the original price on these was $7.44. So $7.44 to $4. That's also an awesome price, y'all. Cannot beat that at all. Plus, they are 13-gallon bags. And majority of the people on here watching, y'all probably do have 13-gallon garbage cans around the house. I know I did, but now I got me a big garbage can, because I was tired of that thing getting filled up every hour or so. It was just ridiculous. But moving on, y'all, to the pine saw. Yes, I found some cleaning items, and they were on the regular shelf. And when I was in Walmart tonight, y'all, I noticed in the cleaning aisle, they had all types of cleaning products on clearance. So next time you are in Walmart, be sure to check the clearance aisle, but don't wait too long, because shelves will be cleared. These were $3.75. And we all know at the Dollar General, these little things of pine sol, y'all, are almost $5. So to get these at $3.75, that is a steal deal. And if you thought I was done here, you are sadly mistaken. I got more items to show y'all from Walmart. So let's get into these other clearance items. Okay, y'all, here are some other cleaning items I found at Walmart. These were also in the aisle where the cleaning items was. And some of these I'm familiar with, some of them I'm not, but I'm pretty sure they should be some good cleaning items. Like this, I'm not familiar with, called Grease Lightning Classic, and it was $2.25, y'all. Cannot beat that. It's a cleaner and degreaser. So I think this will be good for like stoves and stuff like that. But yeah, it says it removes grime, soap scum, mildew stains, mud, and much more. 225. Then the Mr. Clean Freak. I know we are all familiar with these. They were $3, and these are currently $5 at the Dollar General, y'all. So, like I said, keep your eyes peeled when you are in Walmart, cause some of these items will go quick. Then the Panaline Luxuries. I absolutely love these two cleaning sprays. One is pink, it's the Sunrise Memories, and then the Opulence Bloom is purple, and they clean so good. And that's the color that they are. Such pretty colors, but they do cut a lot of grime and grease, especially in tubs, and they were $2.97. Lysol is another good cleaner for the bathroom. It was $2.75. We all know Lysol products are expensive. We barely get good coupons on those, so $2.75 cannot beat that at all. Then this product, never used it before, but it says OxyClean, and I mean, how worse could it be? But for $1.75, it does not even matter. So as you can see, I got a couple of those, and I will be trying those out as well. But they were $1.75, y'all. What a lovely price, especially to buy this without no coupons involved. But yeah, those are some of the items from Walmart that was on clearance. I got a couple more to show y'all before we jump into some Walgreens deals. Okay, y'all, here are the last couple of items that I got from Walmart. Starting off with these floss picks, y'all. They are compositable, meaning they are eco-friendly, made from like cornstarch, silk, bamboo, stuff like that, and they are biodegradable. So these are pretty neat floss picks if you ask me, but they were on clearance for just $2, y'all. $2. I don't know the original price on these, but you get 75 for $2, which is not bad at all. And I found these in the aisle where the picks and the toothpaste and what's that, mouthwash and all that stuff was at. So I picked up two of those. Then I found some elf camo makeup, $3, y'all. It was $16. I don't even know if this is my color, y'all, but when I seen this for 3, I just had to grab it because makeup is expensive. Then seen these for my grandson, real cute little house shoes. $3 at Walmart. They was $9, and they look like I guess little caterpillars or something. I don't know if it says what they are. Are little worms or something. Nope, I don't know, but I just know they was $3. Super cute. I had to get them, and then the little bottom is like rubber, y'all, so they won't slip around and fall and stuff. But yeah, super cute little stuff to keep your eye out for at Walmart. Just was trying to show y'all some stuff that was on clearance. Now I'm gonna show y'all a little couple of deals I did at Walgreens, and then we can end this video. Okay, y'all, I did two transactions from Walgreens. Starting off with the Arm& and Hammer, it is buy one get one 50%. So two of these was $4.99, totaling $9.98, and two of them was $2.49, totaling $4.98. So all four of these together was like $14.96. Then the Febreze air freshener is $3.49. We have a $2 digital coming off, making it $1.49. And on this one, the coupon did come off. I know on the last Febreze I got, it didn't, but like I said, I was rushing, didn't know if I had my coupon clipped or not. Then I don't know how to pronounce these to call or to something, but these are medicines that was on sale, starting off with the Max Action for sinuses. They were only $1.49, y'all. Yes, the original price on these was $12.99. So be on the lookout for these. And actually, y'all, I found them on the end cap, like on the like side of the shelf. And I know sometimes this medicine be over by the beauty counter and just in weird spots and stuff. But yes, $1.49. Then I found the nighttime cold and flu relief. They were $1.39. Original price on these was $11.99. Never had these before, never really heard of them before, but I'm gonna do my research to see if this is some good medicine or not. Or y'all can comment down below and let me know if y'all are familiar with these medicines and if they are good as well. Then the Dove Men's Care Citrus Fresh, it was on clearance for $4.49. Didn't have no coupon for that, unfortunately. Then I grabbed some Garnier. It was $4.49 each, totaling $8.98. We have a $3 digital coming off, making them $5.98. Pay that, get $4 register rewards back, making both of these $1.98 or 99 cents each. So once everything got rung up, I did use a $5 register reward I had from the other day to knock down the total, making this all of these items $30.84. Paid that, and I got back a $4 register reward, making the final cost $26.84, making each item $2.23 each, which I think is well worth it for these items. So I can't complain about this total. And now I did one more transaction, and we are gonna get into that before we close the video. Okay, y'all, here is my last 7 items. My last transaction from Walgreens. We're gonna start off with the Old Spice, y'all. They were they were $8 a piece, totaling 24. We have a $5 digital coming off, making them 19. Pay that, get your $5 register reward back, making these $14 or 4.66 each. Moving on to the Gain products, they both of these were $9.99 each, totaling $19.98. We have a $2 off the flings and a $2 off the liquid, totaling $4. So that'll make both of these $15.98. Pay that. get your $5 register reward back, making these two 10.98 or 5.49 each. Then on the scope, and it is the 1 liter scopes. They was $5 each, totaling $10. We have a 4 off of 2 coupon coming off, making these $6. Pay that. Get your $4 register reward back, making these $2 are $1 each. So the total for all of these items, and I used that $4 register reward that I got back from the Garnier, made the total 36.98. I paid that, got back $14 in register rewards, making the final total for all of these items, drum roll please, $22.98, making each item $3.28 each. So if you ask me, I had a pretty good night shopping today at Walmart and Walgreens, y'all. And like I said, keep your eyes peeled for that Walmart clearance. But every Walmart's clearance is different, so y'all items could be cheaper. Y'all might have a lot of other different clearance items, but like I said, look in those cleaning aisles because they are dropping the prices like flies. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not, so you will be in the running for a $50 gift card coming early March. Don't forget. And with that being said, I am out, y'all. Peace.